Hello students and welcome to the A2IT Private Limited, one of the prestigious technical training provided company based in India. We welcome you all to the JavaScript module of coding. For the students who are hearing this JavaScript coding for the first time, what is the main usage of JavaScript coding? Let me give you one single definition which will definitely help you. JavaScript is basically a text-based programming language which is used both at the client and the server side to create web pages which are dynamic. Yes students, if you've already covered the HTML and CSS modules with us at A2IT, you can actually agree with me that using HTML you can create only static pages. The CSS makes your web pages look more beautiful and attractive. But how about making interactive programming? How about bringing lives to your web pages? Is the JavaScript which does that. JavaScript is a language which helps us make interactive web pages. So in this module of JavaScript, in this video series we'll start right from the beginning as to what is the history and the features of JavaScript. We'll slowly then look at how we can change the HTML content using the JavaScript. We'll see the usage of JavaScript on the different areas of an HTML page like the head tag and the body tag. And what if we want to create a separate JavaScript file in our project and then integrate into HTML? We will cover that as well. We'll then start looking at different functions like inner HTML and document.write, which will help us to create JavaScript code and write into the HTML files. We'll then look at the different concepts like creating alert boxes using JavaScript and look at the basic concepts of variables, constants, operators and data types. I promise if it's your very first programming language and let's say if you have not coded before, any concept that you are going to learn in this video series will be helpful for any programming language going forward that you learn, because the main idea is that the concept remains the same. So the same way like we'll create variables and constants, you will create in any programming language, just the syntax is going to be changed. So we'll make sure that this is one of the foundation stones for your programming language in this video series. We'll also cover the concept of functions, how we can create reusable code using JavaScript. We will cover in detail the selection statements like if else and switch case. We will also look at how we can create repetitive coding, interactions basically using the for loop, while loop and the do while loop. In this module students, we will also cover as how the exceptions can be handled in our exception handling module. We'll then move on to the concept of different form validations. We will be looking at the different object-oriented programming concepts also in this module. We will look at the break and continue statements. We will look at the different principles like classes and objects, inheritance, overriding, overloading, and really a lot of different concepts. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to create interactive web pages? Let's go for it. If you have a doubt in your mind who this course is for, this course is for the students who are freshers, who wants to start their career as a web developer in a prestigious IT organization. Yes, this course is for you. This course is also for my experienced delegates who are already working in IT company, but they want to learn JavaScript with best industry practices. This course is also for young budding students who are working in schools, who are studying in schools, and they want to continue their passion of making websites, interactive web pages. So this course is for anyone who wants to learn JavaScript in the best possible way. Please don't wait. Get started with us at A2IT and learn JavaScript with us. Thank you, take care and goodbye.